Okay, putting the bike together this morning. Got the new motor right there. Clutch, everything assembled properly. First thing is I'm gonna remove this bolt. Actually, the first thing was I removed the guard, make access to this easier. Now, I wish this was gone, but it would have been so nice. Anyway, I've got to take this off right now. This is going to require 9/16 of an inch. The bolt was a 12. The nut is 9/16. No washers in this setup. Actually, the self-locking nut here is 14. The self-locking nut on top is 14. So it seems I make a mistake. This didn't need to be filed because I forgot to put this on first in the bottom, which would raise the damn thing and push it up into the hole, so there'd be a hole. But why was this bent in the first place? It was bent like this, so there must have been still a gap there that needed to be filed out. Next to go on is this bolt. No washers for that, and it went on with a 17. The other end is 17 as well. This inside is a 17 millimeter, and here it is inside your toolbox. Actually, it fits. Don't mess with that. It's already been set by the... And it was set not tight. It was taut and a little bit more. Okay, adjusting these this way, the tire. You gotta change these, put these spacers. I'm going to have to put this spacer on the other side, it's too much to the right. So these are 17 millimeter on both sides.